Guys, I am so bored. Me too, dude. There's nothing to do.
Yeah, it's like going to school should be boring.
And I have finished the entire homework. Good thing Spider-Man is getting out of here because he doesn't help us. This sucks, man. I just need to get out of school like we did it like last time we get out of school and then do some stuff. Oh wait, spring school sucks. So guys, what do you want to do today? I don't know, dude.
Me either. I feel tired. I'm hungry. I want macaroni and cheese.
Wait guys, I got an idea. What is, dude? What if we get bored? So maybe we should just play a game. Knock knock. Who's there? Ice. Ice what? Ice Tea. Is she an author, actor, musician? Yeah. I watched Car Shield commercial or something. That's not a joke. This sucks.
Oh wait, guys, I got an idea.
What?
How about we should just go to macaroni and cheese land?
No. Wait, guys, I got it. What is it, dude? What if I got my games that I have
Right here.
Whoa! Dude, where did you get all the board games?
Wow, there's 5 of them?
Actually, yes, there's 5 of them. I got Connect 4, Scrabble, The Game of Life, Twister, and Operation.
Dude, this is so much fun! Yeah, this is cool!
Yep, I certainly have. I got all 5 games right here. So all we gotta do is we have to complete them. So I don't want to go to school tomorrow. So right now we're gonna do whatever we want and get really crazy, and we're gonna do this. That sounds fun.
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, so guys, so which game do you want to pick first? Maybe we play Connect 4, because it's the top one.
Okay.
Set this up. Alright dudes, we finally have set up everything. So you have Blackbird's becoming the red because you become orange. Yeah, and Hardface has some yellow because he's yellow.
Yeah!
Oh my gosh, you ready for this? Oh yeah, I'm ready. Alright, let's begin playing Connect 4. I'm gonna beat you this time.
Oh yeah? Well, I'm gonna beat you this time, and that means I can be the best.
Well, I'll become the best too because you're not. Alright, whose turn is it? Me. I'm gonna go pick it here. There you go.
Ooh, really hard time in it, huh? Let me just go put it right there.
Oh yeah? Let me just go to the other direction. Put it right there. That's what you want.
Oh, okay. Maybe I can just go put it there and put it again. Yes, no, this one.
Oh yeah? Let's see who is the best champion in the world. I'm gonna put it right there.
Oh yeah. Let's see how you do it. I'm gonna go put it right here so that I can make it 4.
No. I'm just gonna go make the line of 4.
Nope, not a line of 4 because of you.
Okay. How about I could just go to the other direction right there?
No. You ain't gonna do that, nothing. You ain't gonna do that, brother.
I'm not your brother.
So, yeah.
Oh yeah, I got this. Oh, I got it.
Oh yeah? No. Oh, come on. I got 4.
What? No, you're supposed to make it line, not just 4.
Come on, I just made that.
No, you didn't because the square is, you're supposed to make it line, not a square because you suck.
Come on, I didn't do that.
See, now it's my turn. Look at me. I'm the winner. Dude, that's not how you play that.
Of course it is.
We always play Connect 4. My turn.
No.
Alright, I gotta go try this again and we'll get it restarted.
Alright,
it's my turn now.
Okay, no more goofing around this time, Iceberg. Or should I say, Ice Tea?
Please stop calling me that. Okay, and okay, let me fix this up together and there.
Oh, you ain't gonna do this time, and there.
Oh, you're not gonna do this anymore. I'm just gonna go put it right here.
Oh, you're going about all some time. I'll put it there.
Nope, dude. I'm just going to put right there.
Nope, I'm just gonna put it right here for you because you roll.
So,
Which means,
oh my god, dude, look at me. I got 4. No! See, I do it. I got it. I don't know how to play Connect 4. This game sucks. Let's play something else. Let's play
Scrabble.
No, dude, this sucks. How about we play Twister? But we have to do the second one. Dude, we have to play Twister. What is this? Is this look like candy? No, dude, let's just play Twister. Okay, let's just go play it. Yeah.
Alright guys, we set up this twister and this means I'm gonna go just spin this wheel around and then whenever I say it, you're gonna touch it.
Feet and hands. We don't have feet and hands.
Whatever. Come on guys, let's do it!
I hope this is gonna be the most ridiculous thing on earth.
Let's see what we got here today. Oh yes! Right hand blue.
Oh, me first. Right hand, right hand. Oh, there's right hand. I got it. I put it right there. Are you sure about it, dude?
Alright, let's see what's next. Left foot blue.
Left foot blue. There.
Alright, maybe,
Well, but it's your turn.
my turn, why?
Because you're supposed to help us.
No, I can't do that. Let me just go put it right there. Oh, wait, let me try this again for the spin. It doesn't even work at all. Let's see. Oh, no, it's not working.
Just hurry up, dude. I don't have time for this.
Red, right hand.
Come on, dude. It's your turn.
Fine. Maybe I could just do it. Right hand, blah, blah, blah. There.
Okay, dude. So what are we supposed to do now? Can I get it and spin it?
No, me need somebody to help.
I don't think we're able to make it.
Dude, this is so stupid. What are we supposed to do?
We need to win the plushies. We cannot just touch this. This game sucks. We need to play Scrabble.
But we have to finish the game.
Oh my god, dude. This is the most ridiculous game I've ever seen. Help! 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 Somebody! Help! Somebody! Help! What? Spooderman! Spooderman! Sorry guys, I'm late. You are late.
Why, you didn't do my homework?
Because it's... Oh, sorry, I was just having a good time with Kid. He's all tall, dude. Oh, sorry.
Can you help us spin it?
Actually, it's his turn.
Yeah, can you help us spin it, please?
Okay. Let me just spin it for you. Let me see. Oh, yellow left foot. I got my foot. Look, you guys, I got my hands and feet. You ain't gonna do it. So, left foot. Okay, so what are we supposed to do now? I think can we just reach it? I can't. Spooderman, can you do it? No, I think we're not doing this.
Guys, this game sucks. We're gonna play something else. I told you, we're gonna play Scrabble.
Dude, this sucks. We don't have hands. Spooderman has hands and feet.
And I don't have two.
Mine 3. You guys suck. This game... This game sucks. Let's play something else. Come on, guys. Let's go. Why would you just flip it over, Blackbird?
Yeah, you did it on purpose.
Alright, guys. Since this Twister game was very disastrous and twisted, alright, we're going to play Operation. Operation?
Oh, this looks like 6-year-olds. We're not gonna play this. But guys, we gotta play this.
Whatever, man. So, what exactly... Hey!
Where'd the rubber band
Go. Yeah, I was trying to find it, but where'd my rubber band go? Oh, I just took it and, I don't know.
Dude, why would you do that?
Okay, you know what? This is getting really ridiculous. Okay, I'll get this. Okay, so we only gotta do is get this one out of here and take this out. Come on, get out. Alright, there you go. I gotta stick this thing right here, so who's become a doctor? You are a doctor. Well, why me? Smarty pants. Come on, guys, do it. I'll turn this on because this will be fun. Oh, wait, by the way, whenever I turn this on, then whenever you hear the noise, and then whenever you, I got this. See? See? There you go. So now, you can hear this. So right now, if you do something wrong with the silver, he's gonna be dead. Okay, fine. Do it, Mr. Scientist.
Yeah, do it.
You hear that? Is it the clock? I'm gonna get it. Come on. come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. I can't do it. I can't do it. Help me, guys. We can't help you. Help. I can't. Oh, I got it. I got it. Yes. Yeah. Wait. Don't worry. Let me fix this. There you go. See? How does that sound? But wait. Where's the noise? Can you help me out? Okay. Oh, I can hear it. It's the Tweety bird. Let me get it for you. Oh God. Uh-oh. Got it. Oh, he got it. Woo! Okay. Okay. Change it. Next one. So what now? I already got it, you idiot. I already got it. So which one? Which one? Shut up! What happened to this stupid toy? Oh, there it is. There it is. I gotta bring it in. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay, I got it. Let me try this one more. Oh, it's the smiley face. No, oh, I got it. I got it. Oh, you got it. You got it. Woo! Shut up.
Hey, look, it's me, smiley face.
So what next? Hello? What's next? I don't want to waste my time. Oh, there it is. Come on, come on. Come on, you stupid. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, I can't reach it. I can't reach it. Come on. Uh-oh, his nose is bleeding. He's gonna die. Dude, don't panic. Don't do this. Oh, no! I'm doing it. I bet I can. I'm bringing it. I'm bringing it. I'm bringing it. I got it. I got it. I finally got. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What did you do? I was. Let me see. Let me check on him. Let me check on him. Oh no. He's dead. He's dead. We lost him. You did this on purpose, Spooderman. No, I didn't do it. You're the one who made me like this. I have no choice what to say. You're fired. What? I'm just joking. We're just pretending to get a job. Alright, enough with this operation. So let's go play something else.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Yeah. But guys, I was really good at this. Yeah. Alright guys, we're going to play Scrabble. Alright dude, we're ready to do this. So how are we supposed to do it? Oh, it's nothing really much. I don't know how to explain for you instructions. So let's just do it. So me first, you, him, and you. I have a bad feeling about this. Well, looks like we're gonna do this time. Now here's the thing. All we gotta do, I'm gonna put some, let me just put some, art. I would just put art. Just put art. Just put art, and there you go. There you go. So whose turn is it? Oh, my turn. Let's see. Where should I just put it now? Let's see. Let's see what we got here. What's about to do now? Oh, toe. I'm gonna put toe for you. So here it is. Here's toe. Oh, cool.
Alright, let's see mines. Let's see what we got here for today. Oh, eat! You can eat. Let me just get things out there because it's double letter score. I got it. Eat. What's toe eat? Because you're eating a toe art? Because you're drawing art and then somebody's getting a toe?
I don't know what you're talking about. You know what? I don't know how to play Scrabble.
He doesn't know how to play Scrabble.
Guys, I don't want to play Scrabble. It sucks. It's boring. And why are we doing this? Let's see what should I want to pick now. Let's see what should I pick. Oh, I got an idea. 10. Here you go, 10. Oh, more like Ken. He's a doll, dude. Ken. Okay, guys, I got this. Okay, so let's see. My turn now. So what should I do now? Oh, May. I could just put May. There you go. May's there. Oh, I could do this to like this, dude. I'm just gonna put it right there. And should I put it now? Oh, some. I'll put it here, and there is some.
Okay, it's my turn now. Losers are not going to get me this time. So let's see, what should I put? Oh, look at this! Love! I'm gonna go grab all these. And then I could just put it for, where should I put it? Okay, maybe I could just put it here. For love, for the love of Jesus Christ. And there you go! Love! Because I'm love! I have heart erases!
Yeah, I know it, Heartface. You have everything. Oh, Jesus. Okay, let's see what we got here today. Let's see. Oh, lost. Because you guys are get lost. This is gonna be fun. You know what? This game sucks. Wait, dude, no! I'm not gonna play. Lost. Really? Lost? Is that how you say that, lost? But guys, I just wanted to make sure lost. Blackbird, you need to lose some weight because you're fat. No, don't say that. Guys, this game sucks. Let's just play the last game we should play. The Game of Life. Alright, guys. We got set up all this entire thing, and then we got everything for the Game of Night and the Game of Life. So right now, I got all my cards going, and we got everything we got, and this will be perfect. So here we have it. But Drew, where's your green card? Well, I don't have a green card. So anyways, you are blue, he is red as pink, and you are yellow. So now I become the banker. But dude, it's not fair. Come on. Come on, guys. Forget about this. We're going to play this game.
Yeah, loser. Oh wait, not you. Yeah, iceberg. I don't know about that. Which color?
You red, first red. Next is yellow, and you blue. The rainbow colors of all time. So right now, who's going first? Me! Okay, so you are put it right here. So which one do you want to go? Do you want to go to college or career? I want to go to college and I'll become the most generic and, no, become the most greatest psychology and therapist and physicology and the greatest awesome man in the world. He's a nerd. No, I'm not a nerd. I am the greatest psychology. Yeah, psychology, crap, whatever. Now spin this stupid wheel. Okay, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there you go. Next is Heartface. Do you want to go to college or career?
I'm not going to college. I'm going to a career to make YouTube. 10! 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one do I go to? Okay, so which way do I want to go? Wait, let me try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We didn't want that. 3.
Dude, what are you doing? You're not even supposed to play that.
I am. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one are the directions? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is stupid.
Okay, Iceberg, it's your turn. You going to college or career? Dude, I'm not going to college. I'm going to career to make YouTube, like Markiplier, Mr. Beast, Jacksepticeye, and somebody else is the good. Let's do this. 9. Alright, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Alright, you're next to me.
Okay, it's your turn. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
8. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, I get married!
Congratulations. Da 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 da. He gets married for his wife.
Okay, so where was I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, there you go.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4, I got married 2 again. I got my wife again. Gets my baby girl. 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, 7. Oh wait, what does vacation say? Alright, let me go check out the vacation. Alright, so the vacation says dolphin watching cruise. We had, I don't know what this is. So you can keep this card for, do you want to buy it? No, this is stupid. I don't want to buy it. Well, this sucks. Okay, it's your turn. Alright. I'm going to get married. 1. Oh, I got graduation! Did they have any graduation? Sort of, but I'm not sure. Oh, wait. college career. Where is it? Where is this stupid career? You do. You're ruining the cards. What are you doing? Oh wait. I don't know what we're doing. There's something wrong. Where is this stupid card thing? It sucks. Where is it? Just ignore it, dude. Yeah, just ignore it. Yeah. Well, Blackbird, what are we supposed to do? We're never able to make it. What are we supposed to do if we get money? We'll probably figure out soon, so we don't want to waste any time. So come on, guys, let's do it. Oh, come on! Alright, guys, we're almost there. Finish this one. Dude, how long is this gonna take? I'm hungry.
Me too.
Me first. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Payday! I want money. I can't give you money because you're stupid. No, I want money, please. Please forgive me. I want money, please.
Nope.
You are not gonna get money. Fine. You want payday? Here's $10 because you stupid.
Nine first. Oh, 9. Oh, I'm almost there. Finish this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow! Oh, what should I do? I'll become a millionaire because I got more money. There you go. Yes!
Oh, okay. So you're next. Alright, dude. Me. 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I'll become a millionaire because I got a lot of money. Correct. And you. Oh God, this is so sad. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, can I keep going doing my most things apart? Or something? I don't know. I can just keep going. 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to this crappy countryside anchors because I got my less money. You're stupid because you don't have enough money. You know what? This game sucks. I hate this game. Dude, I hate you guys. I hope you guys are the most ridiculous kids in the world. I quit. I'll never see you guys again. I want to cry, baby.
Yeah. Oh, wait. It's 7 o'clock now. I better get going. Bye. Goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow at school.
Yeah, dude. Bye. Well, guess I have to go clean up this time because I don't want my dad to see me. That was a great game night. I gotta clean this up. Thanks a lot, guys. You just ruined it.